Hello guys, welcome to my channel Bajwa Programming Hub. Today I will tell about Python. What is Python? Python is a cross-platform programming language, which means that it can run on multiple platforms like Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and has even been ported to the Java and .NET virtual machines. It is free and open source language. Python has a simple, easy to use syntax. Why Python is used? Number 1, it is used in machine learning, web development, desktop applications. Number 2, data analysis and machine learning. Number 3, automation or scripting. Python syntax compared to other programming languages. Number 1, Python was designed for readability, and has some similarities to the English language with influence from mathematics. Number 2, Python relies on indentation, using white space, to define scope, such as the scope of loops, functions and classes. Other programming languages often use curly brackets for this purpose. Topics discussed in this tutorial. How to download and install Python on Windows. How to install PyCharm. Create first program on Python using print function. What is variable in Python and how to create? What is string in Python? What is operator in Python? What is data types in Python? What is list in Python and so on. Next video I will discuss how to install Python and PyCharm.